Today I came to the very wonderful place and I stayed in Thane, but I did not know about this place, so I'm very surprised when I found this place. I was like, really, it was nearby, but I did not know a single time. And basically, this is Maharashtrian authentic snacks, and the name is Shri Gokle Upahar Graha. So it's nearby that Bank of Maharashtra, and in Thane, Gokle Road. If you will ask anyone, so you will get. And I was surprised. It has 19 years. It has been 19 years. I was like, really? And whatever food, like when I saw the menu, so it was just only about Maharashtrian foods, Maharashtrian snacks. Like I will take some couple of names, then you will understand that Kothimbir Vadi, and this is menu like misal, dahi misal, and bhajani, thali peeth, kande pohe, as you know. Then dabeli ussal puri. There are actually I can see, I think more than 20. There is only menu, and the price is quite cheap actually. Like it has started from 50 rupees, then 100 rupees, then 120 according to like what you order. And so there is a hot beverages also, like tea and coffee, and there is a fast menu, so that Sabudana khichdi, as we know, this is for upwas. But when I went in their counter, so I got surprised because what they have written upwas idli. So I was like, really? And basically upwas idli first time I have heard. And basically here people come for upwas because it's very good known as upwas restaurant also, and like snacks also good here. And sweet menus are there, like naral vadi, aale, pak, kharvas, and modak as everyone's favorite. Then some drinks are there, like Piyush, mango lassi, and for if you are getting anything extra, like extra rasam, extra chutney, so you have to pay like 10-15 rupees. That's it only. So and a lot of crowd is there, I can see. And the good thing is about like their raw materials will be they will prepare that, they will keep that raw material, but what they will do when you will give the order. So like if suppose I will give the order of Kothimbir Vadi, so the raw material will be ready, but they will not cook in that oil. But when you will give order, so immediately like it will be fresh, and it will be crispy, crunchy. And the price is really very cheap, and actually they are on Zomato with the same name, and they open here at the shop opens at 8 a.m. in the morning, and till evening at 9. And it's good, like I can see, I came here at evening time, so I can see oldies people are most actually, and families are there. I haven't seen couples here. Like oldies people are most, and like a lot of families are sitting there, like chairs are there, so I can see it's good actually. So it's in nearby the station in Gokle Road, near Bank of Maharashtra. Just you will cross Bank of Maharashtra, you will get this that Shri Gokle Upahar Graha. I was like, I'm very upset. Like I stayed so long. I'm in Thane. I did not know this place. Like it's very guilty feeling. I'm feeling very guilty because whatever the menus are there, they all are my favorite actually. even like that kothambir vadi. So it's my favorite. Aloo vadi and kanda poha, upma. So I love it. So I will decide. Then let's see what I will give the order. And I'm actually thinking I will order of upwas something because I want to taste like how is the upwas thali peeth, how is the kachori, how is the cutlet, how is the idli. So if idli will available, then definitely I will give the order. And it's hygienic thing. I can see really I am seeing it's good actually, really good. So I will see you directly. I will show you directly my dish what I will order. So hey everyone, I have ordered for me that bhajani thali peeth. It's look like this. You can see. Wait, I will show you. It's look. And it has been almost 8 o'clock, so they are about to close. So they were telling me, ma'am, eat quickly. And the staff is good and it's quite fresh, hot, and they have given me 80. They have actually charged 80 rupees and 2 thali plate I can see. So I'm trying. So let's see. Oh, wow. It's a lot of what we call that oil is there. It's not that much actually. You can see not that much oil is there. And wait, let me taste. Then I will know how the taste is. I can taste like that methi and crushed peanuts and onion is there and it's very fresh. Wow, I liked it. I wanted to take a lot of things but now they are closing. It's okay. And the chutney, this coconut chutney is really great. I really liked it. You can see I like it. It's fresh and little bit that spiciness is coming. But it's not that much of spicy, but it's really very good. So if you are visiting or if you are coming to Thane West, then you must visit to this place, Shri Gokul Upahar Ground. It has been 19 years and there are Piyush people are drinking and Mr. Pao they are taking, and can you believe there is a Upwas Misal also. So if your fast is there, so you can have it that Upwas Misal, why not? And Upwas Khichdi, Sabudana Khichdi, Upwas Kachori, Upwas Khichdi. Really I liked it and I will finish till then. And if you are coming, then do visit to this place. It's really very good and I liked it also, and the staff is really very good actually. And like, share, subscribe to my videos and follow for more. And I'm on Instagram also, so you can check out there also. And wow, this is really good. Literally, I love Maharashtrian foods a lot. And this is really very good now. Okay, then till then, take care and bye everyone.